So get all this stuff.
Makes me think of that 1980s mullet car because they've got that same.
I have no idea why that's doing that, but anyhow, that works. There's a controller for stuff, and it's got a place for the spare phone. Got that. This gets the throttle going. I'm assuming this thing will go 40 miles an hour. Yay. And so it doesn't accidentally take off. Shut that off. Cool. So there it is. EoEotwo. EO1. EO1. But it's spelled EO2. EO2. Got a mud flap. Rock. I would try it out, but it's like 0 out. Well, guys, just got back from a little spin on the e-bike. It 1/10 of a mile. It seems like it assists your pedaling once you start pedaling. I only got it on the one, I guess. And that's brought it up to like 12 miles an hour. But we got some icy conditions on the corners around here. So yeah, I'd like to try it out in the dirt, I guess, but we'll see.